Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to English medium lecture series of grade 9 ICT textbook explanation. Through this video series, we are going to discuss about grade 9 textbook explanation. Through this video series, you can learn everything related to your grade 9 ICT syllabus. Let's see the curriculum of this lesson series. I'll show you the table of content. First lesson, there are 6 lessons in grade 9 syllabus. First one is preparation of preparation of computer specification. We can find about the specification related to computer before we buy the before we bought a computer. As well, if we expect to buy a computer, we can identify about the specification what we should consider before buy the computer. Then after next one is electronic spreadsheet. Through this lesson you can learn about MS Excel program. Then after programming concept and basic programming concept. Then after use microcontrollers. You know that there are a lot of things with the Internet of Things microcontrollers. You know that in nowadays we are using automated vehicles as well automated smart homes and so many things. Therefore, through this lesson you can learn about the beginning to the microcontrollers. Next one, computer networks. We know that internet is also a computer network. If we have two computers, we can transfer data among that two between the two computers using a computer network. As well, if we have a computer lab, if we consider the computer lab in our school, there's a computer network in the school computer lab. Through the network connection of in our school lab, in school computer lab, we can transfer our data among other computers. As well, teachers can send the assignment to the students without connecting any other device such as pen drive or something. We can use computer network to transfer data. Therefore, through this lesson you can learn basic concept related to the computer networks. Then after sixth lesson is ICT and society. In this lesson you can use ICT and what are the benefits of ICT for the society. What is the how can we use ICT to for good society. As well, we can identify what are the drawbacks of ICT and how can we profit from them. As an example, if we addict to play computer games, that can be a problem to our educational studies. But we have educational games. Therefore, after completed this lesson, you will understand about as ICT students how can use ICT effectively to for the society to for this society. Okay, we can move into the first lesson. First lesson is preparation of computer specification. There is a nice cartoon image. We can read it. There is a computer shop. As well, there is a school boy and girl. Let's see what they are talking. This girl is this girl is telling that I need to buy a computer for my school assignments and to do accounts of my father's business. As she mentioned, his father is a businessman. Therefore, she would like to buy a computer for her school assignments and also for account-based tasks of his father. This boy student said, I need a computer that is mobile. It will help me to show my graphic designs to my teacher. It will help me to study from anywhere anytime. There is difference between the requirement of these two students. This student is going to buy a computer to complete his complete her school assignment as well for father's business. Not mentioning about have not mentioned about any of the mobile based requirement, but this boy student is going to buy the computer for mobile based requirement. He wanted to show his assignment to teacher as well. He want to work from anywhere. As an example, he can work from the home as well. If he travels somewhere, I think that in the weekend he will go to one of his relations' house. From that place also he can work. Therefore, they are according to our requirement. the specification can be different according to our requirement. Okay. In the next cartoon image, the girl is telling that, are there any computers to suit the requirement of both of us? If I ask this question from you, what is your answer? Yes, actually, if both of them bought a laptop computer, then through it they can, both of them can complete their requirement, because this girl student is also can use a laptop, because it is not essential to be a desktop computer. As well as this boy student requirement is laptop computer, is correctly laptop computers, because he want to use it as a mobile computer. Therefore, desktop computer is not suit this boy student, but this girl student can use laptop computer for desktop computer, because she have not mentioned about any mobile based requirement. In here, the boys mentioned that yes, many types are available. We can either buy a computer or we can get a computer assembled to suit our requirements. Let's go in and take a look around. Now they are going to go into the computer shop and find a solution to their requirement. Then the seller in the computer shop or any other assistant will guide to them. Okay. In the next top after next in next topic, we can identify about the user according to the requirement. There can be various types of users. We can discuss about it in the next video. Anyway, through this section, we learned about how can we what are the facts we should consider before buying the computer. As well, according to our requirement, there are so many types of computers to complete our requirement. I think now you have a good idea about first lesson. If you have any doubt, if you have further doubt, you can simply send us a WhatsApp message and you can get a solution. If you are a Ninaro student, no problem, you can get totally free that service. As well, other students also can use this service for $1, starting from $1. Then you can get a solution for your question, and you can continue your studies as well. Through these lessons, you will get 90+ marks if you are following our lessons correctly. As well, especially in our students, please keep in mind about this everything. As well, if you have any doubt, you can solve this, because in the Viva test I can ask there's a possibility to ask question from this lesson. So till we meet again with the next video soon. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.